MeghalayaPost.news.
Ka SOS Children's Village Shillong kabadan ha umiam Riboy District mentaka singi kalapanlong ya ka annual day celebration kaba itunat bat kaba phu ba phieng ha campus jongka ha umiam kani ka program kalong kum sibenta ban rakhi ka jingki sa prang bat ka jingroi jongki khna kibadan ha po kani ka jaka pet bat khmi ya ki khna bomdon chu kinong sumar ha kani ka singi kerpang lawan masaki lang da wan sakhiat shabong ubadi District Child Protection Officer rengkat bat Amar Jyoti Sharma Director jongka SOS Children's Village Shillong lembat sibun kiri rangba shnong bat kinongan sibenta balawan ban kursan bat aimen sim ya kikna kajing rokhi kini ka annual day kalalong ka basong shit bat ka bapan kemen ha ka ba kikna kilapen i yala kisam leng bagi jat program ba per kum kajing shan kajing ruai bat kiwi pat ki jing ruai jing tem kani kala ailan kikna ban pen pa yala kisam ban pen i kajing la kajing ki ha ka leng ka kolsho bat kajing ile ka ha ka bakut jong ka program kinong penya jong ka SOS Children's Village Shillong kila samru da ki khusnam bat kajing itu shakikna ki balale bha ha kajing ya ko ba per ki balalong ha ka district level bat wat sabar ka district ru kani kajing sam kusnam kalong kum kadak kajing itu berkajing pensulur ki khna bakinang turai sitom bakindang kiyo saprang ha kapule puti bat ha kajing im
It was on this day in 1964 the first SOS Children's Village was established at Faridabad, Delhi NCR. And since then it's a long journey. And as of now we have our presence in 22 states of Bharat and Union Territories. SOS Children's Villages is a global non-profit childcare organization in the development sector with over 60 years of dedicated services to our children who needs care and services in our family-like environment, besides some other programs. We have flagship programs. For 6 decades, we have gone beyond providing shelter to children who need shelter, care and protection. And at the same time, we ensure the holistic development, long-term care and strong foundation for every child at our care. Apart from the children home, because we are registered as a CCI, our wide range of care interventions also includes some other programs. We call it a group foster care or family-like care, this campus where you are presently with us. Then we have a family strengthening program. We work in the communities, the children and their caregivers, the mothers. Then we have a program called Khunswet Rakhe, where children, they don't have their parents, but they live with their nearest kith and kin, maybe uncle, aunt, or brothers, senior brother, sister. We have also short stay homes, provision of short stay homes, which we started actually post-COVID. So for a very short period of time, say 15 days, 1 month, or even for a night, if accommodation is required for a very needy child, we can provide the short stay home facility. Then of course, education and youth skilling, emergency child care, whenever there is a man-made or natural calamities, we are there. And special needs child care. We have a very special village at Bhopal, in a 27 acres of campus, where all the children living inside the campus are specially able children. Across the country, we operate, as I said, 32 SOS Children's Villages we have in 22 states and UTs. Coordinated through our national office, which is located in Basant Kunj in New Delhi. We are a part of our SOS Children's Villages international movement, which started in the year 1949 post Second World War, and presently SOS presence are in 135 countries. Now coming to Shillong, of course Umyang. The story of SOS Children's Village Shillong since its inception in 1999 is a shining example of new love and care can transform lives. Nestled in the Shillong hillock overlooking the majestic Umyang Lake, we can see that side.
Like 12, 13 years, I'll be working as a DCPO, District Child Protection Officer, and I'll be part with the SOS family, because I feel like it is befitting if I call them family, because I've seen the children, they address each other as brother, sister, and caretaker as mother. And then, yes, so I think like it is befitting if I call the SOS village itself as a family. So I've been working as a district child protection officer for past 10 years now, almost 11 years now. So I'm quite fascinated with the SOS village. When I first came to SOS village Umyam, I mean I think everybody will say the same. We are mesmerized by the beauty of the village. I mean it is complemented by nature and the iconic Umyam Lake. The first, when I came here, at that time it was Sarpradhan. So I got to interact with some of the children at that time and the mother as well. So I can see that bond, the sibling share and the mother. And I think they have aunt also, auntie, and maybe, I don't know, uncle is there? Oh, okay. You can see it through the laughter, the smile. I think when I came here, it was not a school day. I think it might be a holiday because the children were here in the home. And then the mother was there, and then they were offering me tea, and then we were talking and smiling. Because at that time I was in West Kharsail district. So some of the children from West Kharsail were placed here in SOS village. That's how I came to SOS village Umyam. Fascinated with SOS village because one thing I have to talk about Mission Vatsalya a bit, because the concept of family base in SOS village, when I see it, I mean, just looking at it, an institutionalization of a child in a children's home or a CCI. As I sort of said that you are registered as a CCI stands for. Now this concept was started back in 19th century by Charles Loring, and then we are taught, we got training on attachment theory.
meghalayapost.news